Hi, this is Luke from Total Parts Plus. Today we have a 2021 Hyundai I30, stock number 5907. This ran from the 10th 2018 to the current shape. It has a G4 FJ 4-cylinder petrol turbo engine backed by a 7-speed DCT automatic transmission. This is a G4 FJ 4-cylinder turbo 4 petrol engine. (18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, the front mirror, left rear door, no dents, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, left rear tail light, rear boot lid, no dents, right rear tail light, right rear 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, right rear door, no dents, right hand mirror, right front guard, no dents, right front 18-inch factory alloy mag, good tyre, door trim, right front master switch with mirror controls, center console lid, gear stick, AC controls, factory touchscreen media player head unit, left front sun visor, right front sun visor, interior mirror, front courtesy light with sunglass holder, factory 3-spoke steering wheel, instrument cluster,